face. Yeah.
I got Daryl.
Barely.
Come, you guys.
Oh!
Really?
Crap!
I got Daryl.
He got me in my head. He got me. Oh, snaps. He's still looking.
Yeah, because I can't get out of it.
What the hell?
Ow!
What the hell? Oh shit! What was that?
Yeah, son. I need ammo.
Ah!
All the time.
Ah! Ah!
Wait. I need to get ammo, please. Wait.
Back the hell up, Kyle.
You saw me dead in the way. Time out.
There you go.
Hey, you guys ready? Hey, get it. Here. I want to be over here.
Let's just give him a shoot.
Hey, hold on. Don't shoot. Don't shoot, because his brother's figuring out the beat.
Calm down.
That's right, we're looking later. Just close it up. Reload it.
Okay, Kyle. Hey.
Go! That was pretty awesome. Like,
That's done reloading? Yeah, I'm reloading.
Oh, what the fuck?
You guys are the game, but still, calm down.
Oh, crap. Oh, crap.
What the fuck, now? Oh,
Man. You're ready. Here, take your freaking gun.
Wait, hold up. Time out.
it's alright. It won't go back on it, bro. Look at that. I'll do it later.
Alright, hold up.
Hey, let's move on.
Fall fire. Hey, don't shoot me, alright? I'm winning.
I'm in the freaking game.
Ah! I'm good, let's do it. Ah! Yes, sir! Cover me, bro!
He's got my neck. I'm gonna kill him.
Alright, look. Fat ass shit. Ah!
What the hell up? I'm gonna kill this thing. I got him. What the hell? He almost fell.
Their next came out with a little pistol.
Oh, he dude got me in the neck.
Damn.
Freaking Kyle.
Oh,
Let's screw this. I can't even get there. Mama, fire too.
Oh, crap.
Hey, I'm thinking let's go talk down. Why?
Hey, wait, stop. My money's checking my bill. Stop.
You okay, Adam?
Yeah.
Somebody got me in the chest. So don't
got me in the throat. Stop messing with me,
Wait,
man.
stop. Everyone reload. Recount.
Kyle cannot shoot a freaking gun through nothing.
I got you in the throat.
Guys. Dude, Daryl, you fucking shot the shit out of my ass. It was either him or you. Someone shot me like straight in the ass and it bounced off and then it hit my arm.
Watch out for the front.
Can I get one of you guys?
Dude, do you have a fucking dog or what?
Because Kyle can't shoot the freaking shotgun.
Oh, it's because I had to use it.
Adam, can I
before, but
please
forgot
switch
how to
with
use
you?
No.
Because right now my dad's coming. I'm going to beg him to stay for a little bit longer. He can watch the fight by himself. I don't want to watch the fight. I love you too, son.
You just want to know who wins, don't you?
Yeah, I just want to. Daryl, can we switch? You freaking idiot!
He broke it.
Which gun is yours, Andy?
Wait.
Here, I'm gonna fix it.
No, dude, you gotta leave it. I'll fix it later. Just leave it. Just leave it right down the wood.
Just keep
Okay, I'm recording now. No one shoot me.
Dude, it's snapped up.
Wait, is it still recording?
Ah.
Sounds kind of gay.
That's what Daryl wanted. Oh, that looks freaking tight.
Wait, hold on, let me see.
Nah, now you just want it back.
Yeah, that looks cool.
That looks like that one 1940s gun.
Yeah, man, you gotta hold that. That'd be sick.
That's just like those pistols.
Hey, you know what's awesome? If we could like add sounds to the gun.
Yeah, oh, use video editor or
Big
whatever.
war machine.
I don't have an editor.
Whoa!
Yeah, Richard has an editor. He's probably
Shoot
doing
that
it. Add muzzle flashes. Probably, oh, epic.
Everyone reload. Everyone's reloaded.
I'm reloading. I haven't got my double dipper. Come
I'm
on.
on this side
Wait, hold
with
up.
these
Wait,
guys.
hold up.
Adam, let me see. Well, Daryl.
And it's on my team now.
Yeah, I want Adam's little fat ass.
So, Andy,
Kyle.
me, Daryl.
No, I'm with Adam, so it's gonna be you next ring,
No,
though.
no.
Daryl, let me get that.
Oh, no, Jacob, your turn.
You're quick in life, so
I need
I'm
to
a
go.
hold on.
I want you to go.
Come on, let's go. You
Wait,
do know how to
wait,
shoot a
I'm
BB gun,
recording.
right? You guys do know how to shoot a BB gun.
Hey, no throwing them. No
We
throwing
have
them.
BB guns, but then they
Kyle's
fucking-
brothers.
Ow, fucking.
Hey, this thing's hard to cut.
Like my dick.
Hold it like this from the top. Don't shoot us. We have to-
It's still recording.
Come on, let's start.
Okay.
Let's start.
Starting positions.
But if, hey,
Jacob.
if I get a phone call,
Jacob.
I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna talk to my dad.
Jacob.
Go to your position.
Those people behind you are your teammates. These guys right here are the assault.
Wait, he shoots us back.
Starting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go.
Come on, Daryl, you are fishing. I want some freaking Carl's Jr.
Oh shit.
Kyle, get down, bro.
I got Nestor.
Damn it, this thing's not loaded. Ah, this thing didn't even be loaded.
I got Nestor.
Cover me. Cover me, Adam. Adam, let's rush them.
Oh, hell no, there's 3 of them.
Yeah, but they'll stop.
Oh, I almost got freaking jiggle. Let's
go. Move in, Adam. Move in.
Oh.
Oh, this is looking good, bro.
Oh, damn.
Ah, who shot me?
Hey,
Oh, no.
Jacob's all like, what happened to the black guy?
Ricky Nestor. Who got the double match?
I do.
All right, reload.
I'm reloading.
Innocent bystander.
I knew I got you in the leg.
Somebody got me right here, too. Hey, Nestor, what's up?
Yeah, ain't got no iron sight really.
Switch with Nestor then.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay.
This one suck?
Hey, girl, watch out.
Nah, it's a real right.
No, I'm just saying, does this gun, this one basically.
No, no.
This one's
Yeah, it's one of this.
That's the M4, right?
It's light.
I see you.
This fool jumps around like a damn Nazi.
I do. I jump off walls.
Like a kamikaze.
Dude, if Technar here, I'm fucking shot.
Oh, no. I was pushing him
Just
down.
start
Bop, bop, bop.
Everybody
Are we
go
starting
on the
or what? My dad could be in. Oh, no. If Shotgun was here, he shot hides in the shadow, just like you out.
Dude, he comes from
The gun's
behind.
black too, so let's.
Wait,
Why is he about to say
his eyes?
Yo, after this, we should go in the house and load all the guns. Then when your dad comes back or whatever, we should.
Well, we can load him out here, but I mean, like. Come on.
No waste my ammo.
One more time.
Go up against me, guys.
What's up?
What's up, man?
Dig.
Oh, I got him on the shoulder. Ah! I got him in the neck.
Well, what I got there?
I got him.
That's what you're in the